Hi, my name is Nargis, and in this video we are going to learn how to embed an OpenStreetMap in our web page using leaflet.js. Leaflet.js is a free open source JavaScript library with a light, easy to use API with many plugins. Here I have created a folder that contains an HTML file, a script and a style file. Let's see what we have in our index.html. Here, as you can see, we have a very basic HTML structure that I have imported the style sheet and a scripts file, which we will put our scripts there. For having a map, first we need to load leaflet JavaScript and style file. So I open leaflet website download page. For speeding up, I use a hosted version of leaflet, so I just copy the style sheet and paste it here and do the same for script. But it's up to you how to use them. Maybe you want to download the files and import to your project, or maybe you want to use JavaScript package manager. Then for having a map, we need a container which holds the map. So I create a div and assign an ID. And now it's time for adding our script. So I open the script and define a variable, call it map options. And set two values for center and value, and zoom. Center is the location we want to center the map. I open a map and click somewhere, show address, and copy the latitude and longitude for this location and paste it here. And the value of zoom is an integer number for zoom level. These are the very basic options, and you can find a long options list on leaflet document page here on options section. The next step is to create a map. We can do this with the map class of leaflet API. So I create another variable and call it map. And we should pass two parameters. The first one is the ID of our container. Here is map, and the second one is map options. The next step is instantiating tile layer class. With the help of this class, we can load and display various types of map. And here we should pass an URL template that I have already copied here. And the next step is adding the layer to our map. Here I used OpenStreetMap template, but you can load the layers of various service providers such as OpenTopo, Thunderforest, OpenWeather, and etc. Let's see the result up to here. A white blank page. If we inspect somewhere and open the body, here you can see that everything is working but nothing is displaying. It's because we didn't have defined any dimension for our map. So here in our style sheet, I set height and width values for our container. And refresh the page, and our map is appearing. But we usually use the map to show a location for this purpose we should add a marker to our map. So I create a variable and call it marker. And I use the same location, but they shouldn't be the same. And next we should add the marker to our map. And there we go. Refresh the page and the marker is here. Okay, we're done. I hope it's been useful for you, and in the next video we will customize the marker and add a pop-up to it.